Today I am going to reveal the hidden secret of customized parlor base in Asian beauty parlor. So if you are interested to know, then keep watching. Hey everyone, hope you all are doing well. It's me Sameen here, and today I am going to share the secret customized parlor base. So let's start. As you know, the summer is on in the Asia, and in this weather the waterproof makeup is most important for bridal makeup and party makeup, as well as the guest eye makeup or any kind of makeup. So everyone use this pancake foundation, and now I am going to share a beautiful and an easy hack. I need this pancake. I am using MAC pancake, and now I am going to use this makeup fixer spray. For this I need a primer as well, because it will fix your sweating and your pores. First you have to apply ice on your face or wash your face with cold water, and now apply this primer or any primer, gel based primer or cream based or any oil free primer on your skin, and leave it for 5 minutes. This will hide your pores and make your skin look really beautiful for the base or foundation. Secondly, I am using this pancake from MAC company. You can use any your favorite pancake, and using this Kiss Beauty makeup fixer. Pour some makeup fixer on pancake. Now mix it with a brush. This is the best base for summer, and this will stay 24 hours. This will also make your base waterproof, and this will really beautifully cover your mark. Now apply this base on your face with a brush, or you can apply with a sponge as you are comfortable. You can see the magic, just one brush and everything is clear. If you like this video, please like and share with your friends or family. Also, you are new here, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon for more videos. I am using this base for fair skin. You can use according to your skin complexion. After this, I am fixing this base with a sponge. Now it's time to apply the MAC powder foundation, and this is the final step on your base. As you can see the best results, a smooth skin, poreless, and without any mark or dark skin. So here with some simple steps you can create your base at home with the parlor secret. As you can see the result of this base. So here is the final result. I hope you like the video. If you are new on my channel, please do subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much. I will see you soon. Bye bye.